When should you start your immigration case? When should you file your immigration case? I know that with wait times and just a lot of the research that couples do, there's a lot of rumors about when can you file and when should you file. So a couple tips that I work with couples on would be, the first tip is, if you have a relationship and if you're not yet married, and part of starting your immigration case is, getting to that point in your relationship where you want to spend forever together. Some couples are very meticulous and really like to research and get started early, that they know they have this really amazing person that they have in their lives that they found, and they're really excited about the future, but they're not quite ready at that step to get engaged or to get married. So that's a great time to kind of start exploring. And that's why we created a free resource center on our website, immigrationforcouples.com. So you can kind of poke around and get an idea of what you're in for the future. And then that's really the first defining answer that I would have for you is, when should you start your immigration case? When you know that you are in love and you are either engaged or married, and you're ready to get the process started and be together. It's never too early, though. I think the number one thing that couples tell me is that they wish they would have gotten started. They wish they would have filed something sooner, but coulda, shoulda, would have. It's hindsight's 2020, and what's most important is that you get something filed. But I think it's really great for couples who, when they fall in love, know that you have this immigration process in front of you, to start early, to start researching. And then when you know that you are ready to have start that next chapter and be together forever, that is the perfect time to get started with your case. The other thing that I think kind of is prompting this question is, I think there's a lot of rumors out there that, if you recently met, that there's a certain period of time that you have to wait before you can file. And the reality is at the end of the day, it's your burden, to prove to immigration that you have a real relationship based on love. And something that I love about my job is that every relationship is so unique. The way that couples meet, the point in time in their relationship when they decide that they are ready to take that next step, be it engagement and marriage. And so every relationship is unique, and it is really something that we work with couples to prove your unique story of love. So there's no set requirement that you have to be together for a certain amount of time before you can file your case. It is important to make sure that you have enough relationship evidence, that you have enough evidence to prove your relationship. And so that's a factor to take into consideration too when you're getting ready to start your immigration case as well. And the other thing that I think has been prompting this question, and I wanted to clarify, and when you should start your immigration case, I've had individuals ask, well, the wait times keep fluctuating. It was 10 months and now it's 15, and it kind of bounces all over. How are immigration cases reviewed? And, should I wait until wait times go down? But the reality is that's not really going to be beneficial, because immigration is kind of a first come, first serve. You file your application and get in line. Yes, it is possible in the world of immigration for someone to have filed, months after another person and get a decision sooner. That's just part of all of the variables and things that happen in the immigration process, but it's not a benefit to wait for wait times to go down to file your application at that time. So hopefully that gives you some clarity on when you should start your immigration case. All right. Well, I think that's all the questions that I have here today, and those are all the topics. So I hope everyone has an absolutely happy holiday and a happy new year. We will do a Facebook Live next week as well. So and if you're in the Midwest and you're going to be hit by the snowstorm, I hope everybody stays safe. But it was great being with all of you here today. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon. Take care.